This iPhone XS has come to me because it has been for a nice spin in a washing machine. Our customer has sent this one to us because none of the photos and other important data were backed up. The phone doesn't turn on, and the first thing that we're going to do is connect it to our DC power supply. We get a 2 amp reading where a normal device would read 0. This means there's a short circuit somewhere on the motherboard. We remove the logic board from the housing of the phone, then use a thermal camera to identify where the short circuit is. We will have to separate the 2 layers of the board to find it. To separate it, we use this special motherboard grill, and we can see with all this crust around this top area that we're getting pretty close to the problem. When I throw the board under the microscope, I can see that these 2 capacitors look absolutely smoked, and when I poke them with the tweezers a bit, both of them fall out like a rotten tooth. I reconnect the board to the DC power supply, and the 0 amp consumption tells me that the short circuit is now gone. So all that remains to do is to recook the board on the grill, cook until medium rare, then remove from the heat. Stick it back in the chassis, reconnect all the connectors, and the phone boots straight away with all the customer data still intact.